Start hacking. The first habit of a real hacker is simple. Start hacking today. Stop waiting for the perfect setup or trying to memorize everything. Just dive in. Set up a virtual lab using Kali Linux, Parrot OS, or even use online platforms like TryHackMe, HackTheBox, or VulnHub. These platforms have intentionally vulnerable machines where you can legally practice real-world attacks. Start small by exploiting basic vulnerabilities like default credentials, SQL injection, XSS, or directory traversal. Then level up to advanced stuff like privilege escalation, buffer overflows, or web app misconfigurations. Each time you attack a machine, you are learning how hackers really think and how systems can be broken. Habit 2. Think like an explorer, not a user. Hackers don't use technology the way it's meant to be used. They explore it, question it, and break it apart. While regular users follow instructions, a hacker asks, "What if I don't?" That mindset turns every login page, URL, or form into a potential opportunity. Start looking at things differently. See a web page. View the source code. See a URL. Try changing parameters. Get an error. That's a clue, not a dead end. Use tools like Burp Suite, Nikto, or Derb to uncover what's hidden beneath the surface. This habit is about curiosity. Hackers are digital explorers. They poke around, experiment, and never stop asking why. When you start seeing systems as puzzles to solve, not just tools to use, you are on your way to becoming a real hacker.